The type of person who'd consider Norbut Renovations is someone who has a busy schedule and looking for a company to be fully accountable and responsible for their home renovation.
They were able to take our vision and turn it into an actual design, and then they were able to go through with the process of the renovation itself.
We handle all the services, literally from top to bottom. Turnkey solution, meaning designers, decorators, landscapers, landscape architects, contractors, house cleaners, movers, everyone that you possibly could think of for your home renovation. We're the one-stop shop.
He has a design team that brings that vision, and he has a project manager that's able to walk through the steps and get things done on time and keeps the project on schedule and also kept us on schedule.
The advantages of a design-build construction firm is one source of accountability, higher quality from design to constructability. There's little loss of communication as everyone's sitting around one table, bouncing the information back and forth with each other.
They really have a very well thought out process as far as what their timetable is, when key major milestones and decisions will occur, and they stick with it.
Everybody is all involved in the project from really the start, so it keeps the communication very tight and so that we're right on point. We take the extra step and we really plan every detail all the way out, and therefore it gives comfort to the client that before we actually start swinging a hammer, they know really what they're going to spend on a project with little to absolutely no cost runovers.
Their expertise is design. I mean, they're very creative. No problem is too big or too small. They'll definitely wrap their heads around it, and they'll always come up with something you didn't think of to get to the solution that you want.
We've done everything from just kitchen and mudroom and dining room, multi-room renovation, all the way to the entire house, literally from head to toe. We've worked with everything from historical, modern, ultra, and we also work on postmodern as well. It's really to the client's taste, and then we adapt to that style accordingly.
So if you want something that's unique and really kind of personable, but will also get to everything that you want and need in order to live in that space, Norbut's a great group.
Most people that come in from out of town and see the finished product for the first day really enjoy the walkthrough process. They can see it on Skype, they can see it on FaceTime, but there's nothing like actually, being in the new home and really discovering every corner and seeing their face light up that, wow, this is my home.